Every great home begins with a vision. At Golden Age Builders, we bring that vision to life through quality construction, thoughtful design, and craftsmanship built to last. From the first stage of construction to the final detail, our team manages every step with precision, care, and experience. Whether it's a new construction project, an ADU, or a complete home transformation, we build spaces designed around the way you live. Inside the home, every detail matters. Materials, finishes, layout, lighting, and functionality all come together to create something truly personal. Outdated spaces become modern, elegant, and functional. Bathrooms turn into private retreats, designed with comfort and style in mind. Kitchens become the heart of the home, open, refined, and built for everyday living. Full remodels give homes a second life, improving not only the look, but the way every room feels. For homeowners across Los Angeles and Orange County, Golden Age Builders delivers large-scale projects with quality, transparency, and attention to detail. If you're ready to remodel, build, or completely transform your home, now is the time to start. Golden Age Builders. Call 323-366-4745 to schedule your consultation.